Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the manga filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, here in trending section, just slide up. Okay, until you see this image. Remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and that's it. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for manga aesthetic. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap here to use the filter. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover. Okay, let me go back. You can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again in TikTok. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.